If Audacity is showing error code 9996, don't worry, because this is usually a device connection or audio settings issue, and in most cases, it can be fixed in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common solutions step by step so you can get your microphone or audio interface working again without guesswork. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and easy tech guides. First, let's talk about the most common cause: a loose USB connection or a device that has gone to sleep. If you're using a USB microphone, audio interface, or any external recording device, unplug it from your computer and plug it back in firmly. Make sure the cable is seated properly on both ends, and if possible, try a different USB port. Sometimes the connection looks fine, but Audacity still can't detect the device correctly until it is reconnected. After that, open Audacity and go to Transport, then choose Rescan Audio Devices. This forces Audacity to refresh the list of available input and output devices, which often clears the error right away. If the device still is not working, the next thing to check is whether the channel count is wrong. Some microphones, and especially USB audio interfaces, can fail if Audacity is set to the wrong recording mode. In the Audio Setup toolbar, look for the recording channels setting and switch it from mono to stereo or from stereo to mono, depending on the device you are using. A lot of users skip this step, but it can make a huge difference because some devices only respond correctly when the channel configuration matches the hardware. After changing that setting, try recording again and see if the error is gone. Now let's move on to another very common issue: exclusive access. Apps like Zoom, Discord, Microsoft Teams, or even browser tabs can sometimes lock your microphone in the background. When that happens, Audacity may not be able to access the device, which can trigger error code 9996. Close those apps completely, not just minimize them, and make sure they are no longer running in the system tray or background processes. If you recently used the communication app, restart your computer as well, because that can fully release the microphone. If the problem still continues after closing other apps, the next fix is to turn off exclusive mode in Windows. This is an important setting because some apps can be allowed to take full control of your audio device, which can block Audacity from using it. To do this, open the Windows Sound Control panel, then find your microphone or recording device and open its properties. Go to the Advanced tab and look for the option that says Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Uncheck that box, then click Apply and OK. This tells Windows not to let one app hog the microphone, which can help Audacity connect normally again. After that, reopen Audacity and test your device one more time. If everything is configured correctly, you should be able to record without seeing error 9996. So to quickly recap, first check the physical USB connection and rescan your audio devices, then adjust the recording channels in Audacity, then close any apps that may be using the microphone, and finally disable exclusive mode in Windows if needed. One of these fixes usually solves the issue, and in many cases it comes down to a simple setting or a background app you forgot was open. If this video helped you fix Audacity error code 9996, please give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting tutorials, and let me know in the comments which fix worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.